got this wagon here, Fast and Furious. I'm not too furious. We got the chromies for the homies. And we live in large over here.
We just did another bleeding of the brakes. We do that twice after our test drive initially, and we come back and we do it again. Just to make sure 100% there's no air in the system. This seems fine. Recheck all the torque of the bolts, and we check all the fluids and do another test drive after the alignment. Another thing we do is we do everything, like we said before, we do it all by hand. So once we get everything torqued to specs, we'll do another test drive, and then we'll still do some more further future work on this car later. Here at Barbarian Motorsports, what advantage we have over other shops is we specialize in lowered cars. So when you have cars like this that are really low, maybe 2 inches off the ground, or down to, we've done cars with 1.5 inches off. We have an inline, in-ground alignment machine. One of the state-of-the-art Hunter machines. And we always have this calibrated every about 10 to 12 months. To get the accurate alignment you need. A lot of places they'll use plywood or 2x4s just to get them up on their rack and do an alignment, and I've heard a lot of stories from customers. They break spoilers or the front lip, really low cars, that here we don't have that trouble. If it's drivable, we can align it.